Robert Cuppen, CIO Cisco European Markets, talks about the convergence of legacy environments with emerging disruptive technologies. He discusses the culture shift in the workplace that makes mobility a necessity, and finally explores the allocation of core and non-core data into private, public, and hybrid clouds.
If you look right now what's happening in cloud computing, there is something we call collaboration as a service. Basically, whatever device you have, you just order it on the web, you pay for it, and pay as you go. And suddenly you will have that capability on any device, anytime, anywhere. So that's a fundamental shift of how people use a new functionality and thus a new business model. So in my role as a CIO, they're actually demanding these capabilities they find in their personal, private life as a consumer, and demanding the same. The partner is the same challenge, and also the customer. So they see this high level of collaboration happening, and they do expect us to become more collaborative to them and giving them the capabilities to do so. Sometimes we are hesitant to see whether our partners or customers are picking up on those capabilities. They're always moving faster than we ever thought. One of the challenges, if you look at the conversion of technology, is the element of, but what do I do what I already have? How do I have a legacy environment and make that all capable as a service as we go? So it's a challenge to actually morph those two worlds and make them cloud ready. For us, whether it's an iPad or some of the consumer capabilities, those are not needing the integration of all the enterprise quality information systems. If you look at the convergence which is happening right now, the way to handle it is, of course, number one, understand what you already have. And that's actually a way of looking at your people, your process, and your capabilities. You have mission critical and core processes, which are the foundation of why we are as good as we are in running our business. Those will be our internal cloud provisioning. But all of them which are about non-core or non-mission critical, we're fine to run those in external clouds. The challenge for every CIO will be, how do you integrate both? So if I have an external cloud provisioning and I have the internal one, how do I match and mix those? CIOs need to change their role to become orchestrators of cloud services. The way the work environment has changed, especially here in Europe, is that basically everyone works mobile. And that flexibility, of course, comes at the flexibility of IT as well. And that's a challenge for us, making sure that we deliver the right IT capability to where you want to work at the highest level of productivity. Now, to support that anytime, anywhere, and then deliver the right service comes to the strategy we at Cisco IT actually drive, which is any service to any device, anytime, anywhere. I always add in a secure way at the right cost. And in that way, it's full mobility, but then making sure it's enterprise quality.
I'm Carrie Kreinock. Thank you for watching Executive Viewpoints, and we hope you join us again.